Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we will explore some exciting questions and answers on the topic of Cartesian product of sets. Whether you are a student brushing up on set theory or someone who just loves solving problems, this video is perfect for you. Make sure to grab a pen and paper, follow along and see how many answers you can get correct. And do not forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more fun and educational content. Alright, let's dive into the world of Cartesian product and start solving. Okay. Question number 1. If x by 3 plus 1, comma y minus 2 by 3 equal to 5 by 3, 1 by 3. Find the value of x and y. Okay. Set up the equation from the given coordinates. Since the first coordinates are equal, we have x by 3 plus 1 equal to 5 by 3. Okay. So, plus 1 goes here. It will become negative 1. We will take LCM. 3, 5 minus 3 equal to 2 by 3. X by 3 equal to 2 by 3. 3 cancel. The value of x is equal to 2. Now, the second coordinates are equal to y minus 2 by 3 equal to 1 by 3. Minus 2 by 3 goes this side. Become plus 2 by 3. We will get LCM 3. 1 plus 2 is equal to 3 by 3. And 3 by 3 is cancelled. Y equal to 1. Find the value of x and y. X is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1. Okay. Let's go to second question. Question number 2. If the set A has 3 elements and the set B is equal to 3, 4, 5, then find the number of elements in A cross B. The number of elements in set A is equal to 3. The number of elements in set B is equal to 3. The Cartesian product of set A cross B is the set of all ordered pair small a, small b, where small a belongs to capital A, small b belongs to capital B. The number of elements in set A cross B is the product of the number of elements in set A and number of elements in set B. The number of elements in A cross B is equal to number of elements in set A is 3 multiplied by number of elements in set B is 3. 3 multiplied by 3 is equal to 9. Okay. Let's go to another question. If G is equal to 7, 8 and H is equal to 5, 4, 2, find G multiplied by H and H multiplied by G. The Cartesian product G multiplied by H is the set of all ordered pairs small g, small h, where small g belongs to capital G, small h belongs to capital H. If G is equal to 7, 8 and H is equal to 5, 4, 2, so G multiplied by H will be 7, 5, 7, 4, 7, 2, 8, 5, 8, 4, 8, 2. Okay. The Cartesian product capital H multiplied by capital G is the set of all ordered pairs. Small h, small g, where small h belongs to capital H, small g belongs to capital G. So, what will be the h multiplied by g? 5, 7, 4, 7, 2, 7, 5, 8, 4, 8, 8. Okay. Now let's go to next question. Question number 4. State whether each of the following statements are true or false. If the statement is false, rewrite the given statement correctly. Okay. Number 1. If P is equal to Mn and Q is equal to Nm, then P multiplied by Q is equal to Mn and M. It's false. Why it's false? If P is equal to Mn and Q is equal to Nm, then P multiply Q will be M N M M N N N M. Okay, then this statement is wrong. M N N N M. Okay. Second question. If A and B are non-empty set, then A multiplied B is a non-empty set of ordered pair small x, small y, such that small x belongs to capital A, small y belongs to capital B. This is true. If A and B are non-empty sets, then A multiplied B will always have pairs. If A and B are empty set, then A multiply B will always be empty set. But if A and B are non-empty set, then A multiply B will always have pairs. Small x, small y. Small x belongs to capital A, small y belongs to capital B. Okay. The next third. If A is equal to 1, 2, B is equal to 3, then A multiplied by B intersection empty set is equal to empty. B intersection empty is equal to empty set. B is 3, 4 and empty set is empty set. So they have no common elements. So B intersection empty set is equal to empty set. And this one multiplied by A, this will become empty set. Sorry, this is A multiplied by empty set. This is A multiply empty set is equal to empty set. Okay. Let's go to next question. If capital A is equal to minus 1, 1, find A multiplied by A multiplied by A. A multiplied by A represent the Cartesian product of A with itself. Okay, so minus 1, 1. Minus 1, minus 1 itself, minus 1, plus 1, plus 1, minus 1, plus 1 itself, plus 1. Okay. Now, A multiplied by A multiplied by A represent the Cartesian product of A multiplied by A with capital A. So that represents the Cartesian product of A multiplied A with A. So minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, 1, positive 1, minus 1, positive 1, minus 1, minus 1, positive 1, positive 1, 1, minus 1, negative 1, 1, negative 1, positive 1, positive 1, positive 1, negative 1, positive 1, positive 1, positive 1. Okay. Now let's go to the next question. If A multiplied by B is equal to AX, small ay, small b, small x, small b, small y, find A and B. Identify the elements of Cartesian product A equals. If A multiplied by B, it is the order pair small a, small x, small a, small y, small b, small x, small b, small. From the order pair, deduce that the first element of each pair must be an element of set A and second element must be an element of set B. Okay, since the first element are small a and small b and second element are small x, small y, we can conclude that capital A is equal to small a, small b, capital B is equal to small x, small y. Alternatively, the order of the element in the Cartesian product does not matter. So we also have A, capital A is equal to x, small y, and small a, small is capital B. Okay, let's go to the next question. Let capital A is equal to 1, 2, and B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, and C is equal to 5 and 6, and D is equal to 5, 6, 7, 8. Verify that. Number 1, A multiply B intersection C is equal to A multiplied by B intersection A multiplied by C. You have to solve this first. B intersection C. Intersection of B and C is equal to empty set. How? B has 1, 2, 3, 4 and C has 5, 6. Since they have no common elements, the intersection is empty. So A multiplied by B intersection C empty set will be empty. Okay. A multiplied by B. A is 1, 2 and B is 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4. Okay. A multiplied by B is this. And A multiplied by C 1, 2 and 5, 6. 1, 5, 1, 6, 2, 5, 2, 6. Okay. A multiplied by B this one and A multiplied by 6. C is equal to 1, 5, 1, 6, 2, 5, 2, 6. There is any common elements? 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4. No 1, 5, no 1, 6, no 2, 5, 2, 6, nothing. So no common elements. So A multiplied B intersection A multiplied by 6 is equal to empty set. So that is equal to A multiplied by B intersection C as empty set. This is verified. Okay. Now let's go to second. A multiplied by C is a subset of B multiplied by D. A multiplied by C, we write it 1, 5, 1, 6, 2, 5, 2, 6. Now make B multiplied by D. 1, 5, 1, 6, 1, 7, 1, 8, 2, 5, 2, 6, 2, 7, 2, 8, 3, 5, 3, 6, 3, 7, 3, 8, 4, 5, 4, 6, 4, 7, 4, 8. Okay. So elements of A multiplied by C, you can see 1, 5 is there in B multiplied D, 1, 6 is there, 2, 5 is there, 2, 6 is there. So B multiplied by D. A multiplied by C is a subset of B multiplied by D. Okay. All elements of A multiplied by C are also element of B multiplied by D. So A multiplied by C is a subset of B multiplied by D. This is verified. In next question. Let capital A is equal to 1, 2 and B is equal to 3. Write A multiplied by B. So write A multiplied by B. 1, 3, 1, 4, 2, 3, 2, 4. Okay, the Cartesian product A multiplied by B is defined as set of all ordered pair A, small b, where small a belongs to capital A, small b belongs to capital B. A multiplied by B has 4 elements, 1, 2, 3, 4. find out. Okay, so how many subsets will A multiplied by B have? List them. So the number of subsets of set with n element is 2 raised to power n. So A multiplied by B has 4 elements, 1, 2, 3, 4. So A multiplied by B is equal to 2 raised to power 4 is equal to 16 subsets. List them. This is empty set 1, 3, 1, 4, 2, 3, 2, 4. 1, 3, 1, 4 is one subset. 1, 3, 2, 3. 1, 3, 2, 4. 1, 4, 2, 3. 1, 4, 2, 4. 2, 3, 2, 4. 1, 3, 1, 4, 2. 1, 3, 1, 4, 2, 4. 1, 3, 2, 3, 2, 4. 1, 4, 2, 3, 2, 4. And last one 1, 3, 1, 4, 2, 3, 2, 4. Okay. These are the 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. Okay. Now let's go to next question. Let A and B be two sets such that number of element A is equal to 3, number of element B is equal to 2. If x1, y2, z1 are in A cross B, find A and B where x, y and z are distinct elements. Okay, so identify the element of the Cartesian product A multiplied by B which are given as x1, y2, z1. Since number of element of A is equal to 3 and A must contain distinct elements. So A, X, Y, Z. Since number of element of B is equal to 2, the set B must contain distinct elements. The elements of B are the second element of the order pair in A multiplied by B which are 1 and 2 distinct elements. So therefore B is equal to 1 and 2. Sets are A, X, Y, Z and capital B is equal to 1 and 2. Okay. That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed solving these Cartesian product of sets questions with me. How many answers did you get correct? Let me know in the comment below. If you found this video helpful, give it a big thumbs up. Share it with your friends. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also turn on the notification bells so you never miss any of the upcoming math videos. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next one. Until then, keep learning and keep exploring. Bye bye.